Everyone, in the given picture, I perceive two number of character. All are male, age ranging between 20 to 25 years
ये
old.
क्या कर रहा है? दो एकम दो, दो तीन चार, दो तीन आठ। वो बचपन में करते थे ना पहाड़े पढ़ने से पहले। मत करो। अभी मैं बॉडी लैंग्वेज इसके बाद ही करूँगा सबसे पहले। आई कंटैक्ट और डोंट मूव प्लीज। फौज में सिर्फ ये दो कर लोगे, we have won the race. Okay?
Okay, Jai Hind everyone. So in the given picture, I perceive two number of character. All are male, age ranging between 20 to 25-year-old. And the action of my story is spreading awareness in the local village. So my story goes like Ram is a 25-year-old government worker in the municipality corporation. Once he visited a nearby village where he saw that the number of the dengue cases are rapidly increased. So he inspect the location and got to know about that the villagers are not well aware about the dengue. So he spread some awareness in the villager. He also told the villagers to create fog with the help of the neem leaves, and they also told them to not collect the water from the outside their homes, and they also conduct a free health checkup camp in the village, which help the villagers to procure themselves. Thank you.
Jai Hind everyone. From the given picture, I have perceived two characters. One is male, other one is female. Age ranging from 19 to 46. All over mood is positive. The action of my story is helping mother in draining and cleaning of the veranda. Ram, a 19-year-old boy, once at this time of studying, saw that the water was saturating inside their veranda due to rains. So he quickly told his mother that the water is saturating, and with the water the much dirt and the other types of insects and animals were also getting in. So they first clogged the pipe from which the water was coming, and then started draining out the water, and also clean the whole veranda and clean the dirt which was coming with it. So mother appreciated Ram and also thanked him for his quickness.
Okay.
Jai Hind everybody. From the above picture, I have perceived two people, all male in the age bracket of 25 to 30 years, both positive. Okay. And action of my story is getting ready for the SSB training. Ram, a 25 years old, a man living in the slums of Dharavi, Mumbai, is a graduate of a local college in BTech Mechanical. Got a TGC call from the Indian Army due to his good marks in the engineering due to his hard work. So he is boiling water on the chula with the help of a wood to get ready for the SSB training. Ram finally completed his training and went for the SSB in Allahabad and was recommended in his very first attempt. So finally he went to IMA Dehradun for the training and got commissioned as an officer in Indian Army in the Corps of EME and was appreciated by his proud parents. Thank you.
Jai Hind everyone. From the picture, I have perceived two characters, both male, in the age bracket 24 to 52. The overall mood of the picture is positive. The action of my story is reducing the dengue cases in the locality. Ram, a 24-year-old graduate in biochemistry, used to live in a slum area near his college. One day, after returning from college, he noticed increasing number of dengue cases in his locality. He decided to reduce the cases. First, he cleaned the surroundings, cleared all the water that was stored near his locality. He bought medical first aid for the people in the locality. He also used natural sources like neem leaves and kapoor to prevent the mosquitoes. He early in the morning got up by using a pot and burning the medicine and leaves, reduced and spread it in the surrounding. After working for a week continuously doing this ritual, he saw a reducing number of mosquitoes in the locality and the health of the people gradually improved.
Jai Hind everyone. From the picture, I have perceived two characters. Both are male. age ranging between 30 to 35 years of age. Overall mood of the picture is positive. The action of my story is taking cleanliness drive. Cleanliness drive is being conducted. Ram is a 35-year-old, is an environmentalist and an officer at a department of cleanliness. One day, he, along with his assistant, went on a survey to be conducted in his locality, in his town, that is Badi. There, he, along with his assistant, went make aware people about the mosquitoes that are being spreading. He along with his assistant, he also sprayed some pesticides and make aware about them. This helps them in reducing the dengue and malaria cases. Later, these people thanked his and his assistants, and he felt satisfied.
Jai Hind everyone. From the given picture, I have perceived two characters. Both are male in the age ranging between 35 to 40 years. The overall mode of the picture is positive, and the action of my story is taking steps in crisis. So Ram, 45 years chemical engineer, he has a factory nearby, and the slum workers works in his factory. The worker comes one day and inform him about the ongoing crisis of dengue in the slum area. So he complained it to the municipal corporation, but they do not take a step against this. So he thinks and discuss with the employees and starts working as he is chemical engineer. So he uses his own knowledge and make his own spray with the help of chemical. And he goes to the slum area and finally he spray in the area, and finally he see the decrease in the number of dengue cases, and the slum areas workers finally recover themselves and come back to the company and thank the chemical engineer, and finally they lived happily there. Thank you.
Jai Hind everyone. From the given picture, I have perceived two characters. All are males and the age ranging is between 20 to 25, and the overall mood is positive. The action of my story is renovating home. Ram is a 21-year-old graduate, works in a Ramaiya designing company. On vacations, he decided to visit his village to spend some quality time with his family. On reaching upon his home, he saw that the walls of the home are stripped off. Also, the mud chulha and the charpai were not in the good condition. So he with his brother decided to went to the market and purchased the clothes and also the organic colors. And then he woven the charpai. Also he made the wildly paintings on the walls of the home. Also he colored with the also he used the haldi and other organic colors to color the mud chulha, and enjoyed the remaining time with his family. Thank you.
Jai Hind everyone. From the given picture, I perceive two characters. Age range is around between 18 to 20 plus. Overall mood is positive. Ram. Action of my story is converting an old cottage to a study center. Ram, a school-going boy, lives near the Chaul area. He was from a well-educated family, and he observed that there are many children who are not very well educated but are interested to be educated. So he decided to clean an old cottage area which was near the society, and with his friend they convert that into study center, and give the and educate with sharing the old books with them, and decided to teach them about everything about society, and educate well. Thank you.
Jai Hind everyone. From the given picture, I have perceived two characters. Both are male. The age bracket is between 22 to 28 years of age. Overall, the mood of the story is positive. The action of my story is mosquito control in the locality. Ram, a 28-year-old boy living in the locality in the slum areas of Mumbai. One day, he suddenly noticed that a lot of smoke coming inside his house, but then he went outside and noticed that there was a mosquito control going on in the locality. He then researched a lot about it and then also made aware to the local people, the people in the locality about the mosquito control, and they all later decided to start a cleaners drive. And after few days, there was no mosquito in the locality.
Jai Hind everyone, from the picture shown to us, I have perceived one male character. The age is 17 and the overall mood of the story is positive. The action of my story is Ram walking down home amidst the cow dung smoke. So Ram is a 17-year-old school-going boy who is currently in 12th standard. He's a hardworking, determined and honest man, and one day while walking back home from school, he saw that a lot of people are using cow dung cakes to cook, and it's creating a lot of smoke due to which environment is getting harmed. So he walked back home amidst the smoke, and once he reached home, he decided to talk it out with his parents and friends, and decided to spread awareness in the nearby street so as to make people understand the importance of environment around us, and he did so with the help of his friends. Thank you.
Jai Hind everyone, in this picture I have perceived two characters, age varying from 32 to 36. Mood of all characters is positive. The action of my story is organizing a mosquito killing drive in a village. Gagan, a 32-year man who lived in Shantinagar and worked in a pest control company. One day, he visited his relatives in a small village nearby. There he discovered the problem faced by villagers related to mosquitoes and flies. Then, he took the initiative. With his company's help, he organized a mosquito killing drive. He also helped in treating the ill people and also spread public awareness about controlling the number of mosquitoes and flies. All the villagers appreciated his efforts and thanked him for his help. Thank you.
Jai Hind everyone, from the picture I have perceived two characters. The age range is between 33 to 34. The overall mood of my story is positive. The action of my story is spraying gas to control the breeding of mosquito in the localities. Ram, 34 years old, who lives in Dharavi and works in the municipal department. As it was the time of monsoon in Mumbai, the breeding of mosquitoes were increasing day by day in the localities. As Ram was the head of the mosquito controlling department, he was in charge to take the action on the Tilak Vihar locality, which was suffering from the breeding of mosquitoes. So Ram with his team went to the locality and sprayed the gas to all over the possible places where the breeding of mosquitoes can occur. Later, the locality, the number of breeding mosquitoes decreased in the locality, and the control of the breeding of mosquitoes problem was solved. Thank you.
And friends, from the picture I perceive two male character is around between 23 to 25 and mood is all positive. Action of my story is the stop the fire in the gallery. Stop the fire in the gallery. Rohan is a 25-year-old man, is a final student in the Bhopal. He living in the remote side of the city. So during his study time in the room, he feel that the smoke has come from outside the room. He immediately called other members and also called the fire brigade to stop the fire brigade. And also he called the ambulance and referred to the injured person to the hospital. And after all, he at the last he cleared the garbage of the fire. Thank you.
Then, from the picture shown, I perceive two characters. Both are male, of the age group 22 and 23. Both of them are in a positive mood. The action of my story is spraying mosquito repellent. Ram is a college student who goes to temple every day with his friend Mukesh in the morning before college. So one day during the season of monsoon, he noticed that the number of mosquitoes were increasing in the temple premises. So he and Mukesh decided to spray mosquito repellent in the temple premises. They also helped in cleaning the temple premises, and after that they found that the number of mosquitoes had decreased and the effect was also minimal.
Join everyone. In the story, I have perceived two characters. Overall mood is positive. Ages 18 to 45 years old. Action of my story is cleaning up of paternal house when going to the village with his father. Anuj was an 18-year-old boy who had went to his paternal village house with his father for some work regarding bank and property. When there, he realized that the house and the veranda, so the bedding in the veranda area was not very clean, dusty, and not taken care of. So before going out, cleaned them before sleeping, went with his father, did the dusting, cleaned up the area so that temporary bedding can be made, and in the morning cleaned up the rest of the house. So and in the end, got the work done that he was supposed to do. Thank you.
Then everyone, from the given picture, I have perceived two characters, both are male. The age bracket is between 25 to 30. Overall mood is positive. Action of the story revolves around using mosquito repellent to overcome the diseases. The main protagonist of my story is Vikram, who is a Sachiv in village panchayat, and get to know that there are rapid cases of mosquito-borne disease like dengue, malaria. For that, he discussed it with the village with panchayat head, and later they arranged for the mosquito repellent along with a professional. He himself joined it, and they sprayed the mosquito repellent in all the area in the evening time. Also, they cleared the accumulated water in the pits and aware people about these types of diseases and how these type of diseases can be treated. In the end, after 1 or 2 weeks, he realized there is a clear difference and he felt happy and he felt a fulfillment for his efforts.